Magandang umaga ulit sa inyo. Ngayon, magluluto po tayo ng bitter melon or other term is the most known name of this one is bitter gourd and in English, okay? Ampalaya, ginisang ampalaya with egg, okay? 3 egg or 4 eggs will add, okay? And now, just follow my video. First, of course, we will put oil, cooking oil. At isunod natin ang garlic, diced garlic. Followed by the diced garlic. Saute. Panaw natin siya. At isunod natin yung onion. I will try to cook this recipe today. So simple, okay? And I will try if my husband and my son will like it because it's my first time to cook this bitter gourd or bitter melon. First time to cook for them because my family, my husband is from Egypt. So I will try it if he will like it, and I hope he will like it because I will cook. And we will put now add tomato. One tomato is like in small pieces. Okay. Now, we'll add now the bitter gourd or bitter melon. Halo na natin ng ampalaya. Actually, ang ampalaya po ay hindi po siya mait. Okay, it's not bitter because I smash with the salt. Then, I remove the juice, okay? And so, maybe it's not bitter or hindi po siya mapait. Sana masarap po siya. As I told you a while ago, that it's my first time to cook. This for my family. Bitter melon. Then we will add little water para pangluto sa bitter gourd or ampalaya. And little, like this. It's okay. And we put already the bitter melon, and now we'll add black pepper. Bahala po kayong magtansya kung ano ang measure na ilalagay yung black pepper, and ajinomoto. Up to you if you will put this one or not. For me, I will try it. Yeah. And of course, salt. And now, I add sugar. This is optional. Maybe you can add 1 teaspoonful of sugar. And now the egg. The last one. I add 3 eggs, okay? Okay. Oh, guys, See here already our finished product, okay? Of this bitter melon or bitter gourd. Ginisang ampalaya. Ito na po siya. Tapos na ulit ang ating pagluluto. And I hope you learn again something for today for me. And thank you. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I love you all, guys. More support for my channel. God bless. God bless. God bless all of you.